This is the BayCare Plant City Replacement Hospital. This is the biggest new hospital that BayCare has built.
We're building 8 new ORs, 1 hybrid OR, huge mechanical plant, 3 new generators, paralleling gear.
This one's over 500,000 square foot.
APG Electric is building the project, as well as APG Fire, as well as APG Security. This is the biggest project we've ever taken on.
It's over 500,000 square feet of brand new facility. The project is to be completed in 22 months.
The construction manager, they depend on us to work as a team to minimize the changes and, minimize the cost.
It's a lot of planning that goes into it, having to move the existing hospital to a new hospital where this brand new facility is going to definitely help the community.
I probably worked with a dozen of their superintendents over the years, and each one of them does a fantastic job. It's always just been a partnership.
The workmanship is always cut above the rest, and that's why APG does hospitals.
People go to hospitals because their lives depend on it. Using companies like APG, it gives us a level of confidence that we know the work is going to be done right.
When a person's laying in that bed, you want to make sure the power is done right. You want to make sure that generator is going to come on if the power goes off.
We take extra steps to make sure that the work is done to the highest quality possible.
Now we have the offset lighting to shine indirectly so it's not in the patient's eyes. The evolution of the rooms and the patient experience, it's really slanted towards the patient, 1, their care, and 2, their comfort.
APG is a great partner. Barton Malow has been for a very long time. They're safety oriented, they're very quality oriented, they're going to be transparent, very ethical, moral, really good folks. I think top to bottom, we can truly be partners in this together.
I've actually worked with APG for about 15 years. They are my preferred electrical contractor.
I've started working with APG, I guess, about 12 years ago. Their communication, their attention to detail, they're always available when we call.
We've had a number of years with APG working side by side with us on a number of different projects. APG's employees are fantastic to work with, and they're all working professionals, they're all craftsmen. They understand what we're asking and they're immediately able to do it. They
always hit our schedules. They always keep us abreast of any changes.
Barton Malow is the best contractor I think we've worked for. Their attitude is, we hired you as the professionals. They treat you as the expert and professional in your field.
I know we even reach out to them oftentimes during a lot of pre-construction, and we're putting together estimates for owners and that just to get their input and get their help on stuff. So we've really managed to kind of partner with them a lot over the years.
We look for best value and not necessarily the lowest price.
They know the value of that dollar. If that dollar is going to get them the quality, and that's kind of nice to know because then you're working and installing quality material.
I've been on projects where 2 years after the project was over, we have a facilities manager call up with a question about something, and I just reach out to somebody over at APG and they send somebody right over on it. And then things are out of warranty. It's past the time that we are supposed to be doing and helping our things out. But they're always just there to help out, and they've always been really good to us over the last 12 years that I've been here.
I can't speak highly enough of what APG's safety culture does for a project of this size.
I would say our safety programs are very similar. The cultural importance of it and where you prioritize safety, Barton Malow and APG have that same mentality where it's at the very top.
Builds on our reputation as the general contractor. Everyone knows that we're going to provide you the best product possible.
When I go in the field, I'm always impressed when I look up overhead and I see their conduit runs.
Every piece of conduit and pipe is bent the same. It's all color coded. It looks beautiful.
Never about one and done type mentality about let's see how much money we can make on a project and we'll move on. It's a long-term mentality that they're willing to put in the extra effort. That's the kind of partner you want, the one that you really don't have to motivate to do good work, they just do good work.
They do go above and beyond. They will do what they can to make sure that all of our goals are achieved.
To the extent I can, I'll pick APG every time.